Good morning, students. Today we will go through the next season, that is retreating southwest monsoon season. To begin with, what is its duration? It begins in the month of October and by November it gets over. Now, what exactly happens during this season? We will see. Withdrawal of the southwest monsoon takes place. The southwest monsoon, which had come to the Indian landmass, now it is going to go back to its own place. Now, why this happens? Students, we know that during June month, the vertical rays were on the Tropic of Cancer and a low pressure area was over here. And this low pressure area was responsible to attract the rain bearing winds. But the earth starts moving ahead on the orbital path and it comes in this position, then here, and then over here. So by this time, that is during September month, we see that the vertical rays which were falling on the Tropic of Cancer start falling on the equator. They are no longer falling on the Tropic of Cancer. So the low pressure area which was over here starts shifting slowly towards the equator by September. Again, when the earth starts further moving in the orbital path and it comes over here in this position, this is September, right? You will see then October, November and December, right? So what happens, the low pressure area which was over here starts moving further down in the southern hemisphere, right? It comes down in the southern hemisphere and you will see that the low pressure area which was over here starts moving towards the water body. So because of this, you will see the withdrawal of monsoon takes place. Now here I have written, see, by end of September it withdraws from Punjab and Uttar Pradesh. By October it withdraws from central India. By end of November you will see that it withdraws from South India. You can see over here in blue color lines I have shown how it withdraws itself. By 1st of September you will see that India will have rainfall in this part. Okay. By 1st of October you will see that India will have rainfall in this part of the country. This part doesn't have the rainfall. 15th of October you will see that this part it rains. 1st of November this part. 15th November this part. 1st December only this part. So by end of November you will see that it has withdrawn itself from the Indian landmass. So this is what happens during retreating southwest monsoon season. Now students, we will see what are the temperature conditions during retreating season. There is rise in temperature and you will see clear skies around. There is slight rise, students. It is not as high as what we had seen during summer season. You must have seen when clouds are there in the sky, the temperature drops, and when the clouds go away, you will find that there is slight rise in the temperature. The same thing happens, and because of which you will see that water starts to evaporate. The water which was there on the land starts to evaporate, and you will find that there is moisture in the air, and this is nothing but humidity. And now humidity increases, and when humidity increases you will find that it becomes uncomfortable. Why it becomes uncomfortable? Because our body starts giving out sweat which is not absorbed by the air around us. So this becomes uncomfortable, and this is called as October heat. This condition doesn't remain for a longer time. By second half of the October you will see that temperature rapidly starts dropping in the northern part of the country. So this is the temperature condition during retreating southwest monsoon season. Now we will see what are the pressure conditions and wind directions during retreating southwest monsoon season. Okay students, let us see what are the pressure conditions and wind directions during the retreating southwest monsoon season. As the monsoon retreats, the low pressure area which was there once on the landmass has shifted towards the water body around. And why this has happened, we have seen. The low pressure area now turns into a high pressure area, and a high pressure area turns into a low pressure area. And we know that air always moves from area of high pressure to the area of low pressure. So you will see that the air starts moving in this directions, right? So it starts moving in this directions. So you will find that the wind direction is northeast during this season, right? It is northeast. One more thing you need to remember is that cyclones. Students, cyclones originate in the Andaman Sea, they pick up the moisture and they bring heavy rainfall in the eastern coastal part. Places like Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Bangladesh receive heavy rainfall. This rainfall brings loss to life and property. So this is what happens during retreating southwest monsoon season. I hope you have understood about the retreating southwest monsoon season.